You've just spent hundreds, maybe even thousands on a Facebook ad campaign. The creative is perfect, the targeting feels spot on, and yet, nothing. No conversions, no engagement, just a sinking feeling in your stomach as your ad spend burns away. Believe me, you're not alone. I've been there, and in 2024, with all the updates and algorithm shifts, it's easier than ever to make these mistakes. But by watching this video, you're about to learn how to dodge them and save yourself not only money, but also frustration. Hey there, welcome to Dreamy Digital. On this channel, we dive deep into the latest trends in digital marketing, AI, and business innovation, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, we're here to simplify complex strategies and deliver actionable tips that drive results. So if you're ready to innovate and thrive in the digital world, you're in the right place. Now let's talk about Facebook ads. Did you know that nearly 93% of marketers use Facebook ads, yet more than half of them report poor results? In 2024, the stakes are higher than ever. With constant updates, changing algorithms, and evolving consumer behavior, it's easy to fall behind if you're not aware of what's working and what isn't. Let's break down the top mistakes many marketers are making, and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Mistake 1. Over-targeting. It's tempting to go hyper-specific with your audience, but over-targeting can severely limit your reach. With Facebook's algorithm becoming more sophisticated in 2024, it actually favors broader targeting and will optimize delivery to the right audience based on behavior patterns. Think more about behaviors rather than demographics. Mistake 2. Ignoring creative fatigue. Ever seen the same ad repeatedly and tuned it out? That's creative fatigue. Facebook users are exposed to so many ads daily that they get tired of seeing the same thing. In 2024, rotation and fresh content are critical. Make sure you're testing multiple variations of your creative, not just once, but constantly. Fresh visuals and copy can reignite engagement. Mistake 3. Misusing ad placements. Facebook offers several ad placements, from the news feed to Instagram stories, and now even Reels. Too many marketers are either sticking to just one or using all placements without proper optimization. In 2024, consider customizing your ads for each placement, rather than using a one-size-fits-all approach. Make sure your vertical video works well in Reels, while your landscape video shines in the newsfeed. Mistake 4. Neglecting video content. Video isn't just an option anymore, it's a necessity. In 2024, Facebook is prioritizing video content, especially short-form content like Reels. Failing to leverage video in your campaigns can drastically impact your engagement rates. If you haven't embraced video yet, now is the time. Mistake 5. Underutilizing retargeting. Many businesses create ads for cold audiences and forget about retargeting. But here's a fact. People need to see your brand multiple times before converting. In 2024, the cost of acquiring a new customer has risen, so make sure you're using retargeting strategies to re-engage those who've interacted with your ads but haven't converted. Here's something no one talks about. Facebook's algorithm has a hidden bias toward engagement over time spent watching. Did you know? When people comment, like, or share within the first few seconds, your ad gets boosted to more viewers. So, when creating your ads in 2024, focus on the first 3 seconds. That's your window to hook your audience. A well-placed question or jaw-dropping fact can turn a passive viewer into an active engager. Let's take a closer look at one of the trickiest aspects of Facebook ads in 2024, budget mismanagement. Many advertisers either blow their budget too quickly or spread it too thin. With the new algorithm changes, Facebook's campaign budget optimization, CBO, is more crucial than ever. Focus on consolidating your budget into fewer, high-performing campaigns, instead of spreading it across multiple smaller campaigns that don't get enough reach. You might be wondering, how often should I change my ad creative? Well, depending on your ad spend, you should refresh it every 2 weeks, or even weekly, to avoid ad fatigue. Another question that often pops up, should I use Facebook's automatic placements? The answer is yes. But keep an eye on which placements actually deliver results. You don't want to waste budget on a placement that's not converting for your audience. You've got a beautifully designed ad. The copy is on point, but it's showing up in the wrong place. Your horizontal video is playing in a vertical space, making it awkward for viewers to watch. This simple misplacement can kill your ad's performance. Let's show a quick example. Imagine squeezing a wide video into a narrow box. See how that looks? That's why placement matters. To wrap it up, running successful Facebook ads in 2024 requires staying on top of constant changes and avoiding these common mistakes. Whether it's over-targeting, ignoring creative fatigue, or forgetting to leverage video, every misstep can cost you big. But by being proactive, testing frequently, and keeping your content fresh, you can navigate these challenges and come out ahead. Now that you're armed with these insights, imagine what could happen if you start applying them today. Your next campaign could be the one that blows up, getting you more conversions, more visibility, and most importantly, more success. So don't stop here. Hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos on how to supercharge your marketing strategies. Your breakthrough campaign is just one click away.